Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I would be sharing some of my analysis for the stocks and the indexes and the trades which I have taken for the expiry. So this is the chart which I have for Nifty 50. So, and this is set at hourly, and the prices which you would be looking at is for the 14th September's closing price. So right now Nifty 50 is at 17,382, and this is the channel that we had drawn weeks before. So Nifty price is well moving in the range. So as you can see over here that the price had rejected the upper segment, and it came down from there. So this was also the point where I made, since my chart gave me a sell signal, the chart so the two averages which I use is the moving average 50-day close and the exponential moving average 50-day close. So the crossover basically gave me a sell signal, so I definitely wouldn't go and buy. But so I made a position of 17,300 call sell, and as hedging is also important, so I had bought 17,400 call. So over here, so for the September end, I'm expecting a down move. It wouldn't be very fast, but yeah, in probably the span of 1 to 2 months, we might just see a down move in the coming few weeks. So coming to Bank Nifty right now. So for Bank Nifty, same applies for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, even though it is moving at a pretty much range bound kind of a market, but as you all know that after Bank Nifty is done with the range bound, it gives a breakout either ways. So over here it gave a downward move, and which was pretty much very sharp. So over here, that as you can see that this is a sell signal, the crossover which has been given over here on 7th of September. This does not allow me to go long on it. So I don't have any positions in Bank Nifty right now, but I soon would be creating once it is done with the breakout. So usually the kind of positions that I enter for Bank Nifty are triangles, but I would be doing that in the coming few weeks after it is done with a good breakout. So the street has been talking about this one stock today, which gave a very good move, which is so the stock is Z Entertainment, and it is based on news. The news came out today, which was that 3 of the directors are leaving the company. So the street is expecting that the company is going through a management shift, and this would give a better future for the company as well. So even though it does not reduce the amount of corporate governance issues that it had in the past, so this gave a 40% up move today, and this is the highest which has been recorded for for a particular day on one particular stock, and highest for this stock as well. So overall, the broader markets have been quite not so bullish. The Hang Seng, which is HSI, gave a down move of 1.21%, and same is with Dow Jones, which gave a down move of 0.91%. Asian markets haven't been performing quite well since the past 1 week, so Nifty has been following that. And this is the option chain. This is for Nifty that we have. So the OI, which is the open interest. Open interest basically signifies the open contracts that are in the market. As you can see over here, that for the put side it is more as compared to the call side. This is for the monthly expiry that we are looking at. So overall, we can put it as that for the monthly expiry, the OI is not that bullish. It is on the bearish side. Now coming to the coming for this particular expiry. So for this particular expiry, there are more amount of contracts for the call side as compared to the put side. Basically, change in the OI signifies that the amount of changes that the OI has in one particular day. So if it is negative, then it means that the amount of contracts have reduced in one particular day. But if it is positive, then there has been an addition in the amount of contracts that have been created. The OI, this is the total amount of OI that the contracts have, and this is never going to be negative. This is always going to be positive on both the sides. So let's go to Bank Nifty right now. So for Bank Nifty, it is almost the same, 8 lakh contracts for the call side and 76,000 contracts for the put side. So coming to our charts, few of the charts which I can show you right now is the Reliance chart. So Reliance, these are the lines which we had drawn a few weeks back, but it gave an up move since then, and right now since like 4-5 days, it is giving, it has kind of like exhausted and also covered the gap that it had made. So Reliance right now is, in my opinion, it is forming a cup and a handle pattern. So this is a cup that is being formed. It might just consolidate and then give a up move, but that also depends on the broader market as well. This is the chart for HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank is also respecting the trend lines that we had made, and it is moving somewhat in between it. Also, something to look at is that the mid cap stocks have been giving a quite good up move. It is very stock specific, not anything related to the industry that it belongs, but it is very stock specific. But overall, the large caps are not giving a great up move. That is why the Nifty is not too bullish. So this is the chart for ICICI Bank. It has given a rejection over here. It gave a good rejection over here because it made a bearish engulfing, and over here as well it has given a rejection. So something to look at. And so the chart for Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance is the chart seems very smooth, and definitely you can probably take a trade over here if you want to. You can short 7,500 all, I would say, with a hedge along with it. And I talked about Tata Motors in my previous video as well, that this is a pretty important candle that it made on 24th of August. Since then it has given quite a sharp up move, and it has given almost like 30 points. So even the chart has turned almost bullish right now, since the crossover is indicating a bullish signal. So you can probably go long on Tata Motors. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Do let me know in the comment section what would you like to see in the next few videos, and happy investing. Thank you.